The mobile phones are strictly prohibited inside the polling station except for authorized officials such as election observers and presiding officers. Voters are advised not to carry the mobile phones. Even if they are carrying the mobile phone, it has to be switched off within the 100-meter periphery of the polling station, and mobile phone deposit facilities have been arranged at all the polling stations in which the electors have to deposit their phones before entering the 100-meter periphery of the polling station. Out of 181 polling stations, 36 polling stations have been identified as vulnerable polling stations, and enhanced security arrangements have been made. Micro-observers have been deployed in these stations for close monitoring, along with the increased CAPF presence. The webcasting has been enabled in all the 181 polling stations with centralized monitoring through the district and RO level control room. A total of 775 EVM units have been commissioned in presence of the candidates and ensured and secured in strong rooms under CAPF protection with continuous CCTV surveillance. Adequate buffer stock of EVMs and VVPAT is available, ensuring high operational readiness. Sector-wise, route mapping for all the 19 sectors have been completed to facilitate the efficient movement of polling personnel, security forces and election materials. To prevent the violation of Model Code of Conduct, the following enforcement team have been deployed 24/7 for monitoring in the district. 5 flying squad teams, 10 static surveillance team, 2 rolling static surveillance team, 5 video surveillance team and 1 excise team. Apart from that, 10 interstate checkposts and monitoring on 20 porous borders have been established. Expenditure sensitive pockets have been identified and 5 additional flying squads, including enhanced surveillance mechanism, have been deployed during the last 72 hours. The 1 drone has been deployed in each of the ACs to monitor any cases of MCC violation or any effort by any individual for inducement of voters. These drones would be operational 24/7, including the night surveillance during the last 48 hours, and based on whatever we capture and any MCC violation that have been noticed, the cases would be booked and people would be brought to case. The following enforcement of MCC, following the enforcement of MCC, the following seizures were made. The cash worth approximately 3.5 lakh rupees, liquor worth approximately 48 lakh rupees, narcotics worth approximately 87 lakh rupees, 5 two-wheelers and freebies worth 12,000 rupees. A total of 26 FIR have been registered, which includes 16 MCC related FIRs and 10 bribery related FIRs. 1 excise related FIR has also been registered after the Model Code of Conduct has come into force.